So hi everyone, it's me Persa J, and for today's video is during winter time, and then joyride kami ngayon, but mostly talaga pag ganito, no, kailangan malakas yung music ng aming sasakyan kasi inaantok yung aking asawa during driving. So kailangan naming palakasin yung aming music or magpapamasahe siya sa kanyang batok or something dapat siyang galawin kasi nakakaantok kapag long rides or medyo tahimik yung madadaanan namin. So, favorite ano niya to, moment kapag ginagalaw siya or malakas yung aming music. So, that's it. This is Persa J.